Hello and welcome to BISP Solutions. I am Anjali. In today's video, we'll see how to assign members using prompt function in narrative reporting application. So before moving ahead, let's understand what a prompt function does. So prompt function enables a report viewer to select the member for a grid row, grid column, or POV when they run the report. So basically, when you define the member selection for prompts, when you design the report, and then report viewers choose from the members you defined when they run the report. So let me just show you um, in my Excel sheet on also a narrative reporting application. So let's go straight to the reports. So this is my report prompt function for current assets. So I have used this prompt function to view the current assets. This is the smart view for the intersections which I want to see in my report. So facility resources is my entity. I am viewing this report for financial year 17 and I'm viewing this for quarter 1, and these are my account members for current assets. I have given the inputs for data amounts so that I can view it in my report. So let's go to the reports, select our report. I will choose the POVs here. Then only we'll be able to see the report which I have prepared. Let's just quickly do this and I'll show you step by step how to do that. So we can select from here the multiple accounts which I have enabled. All right. Okay. So I have selected the account. Let's select the quarter. Click on OK. Click on edit. So let's just quickly see how to use this prompt function. On this particular row for account, right click, select members. From here, go to functions. All right. From functions, select prompt function. Give here the prompt label as I have given select an account. Okay. So this is my label for this prompt. From the choice list, we provide here the accounts which we want to view in our report. Okay. So I have prepared this for current assets. Click on this functions and then all the children of current assets. Okay. So I've already done that. This is allow multiple selections. If we enable this, we'll be able to see multiple accounts for just one single report. And then click on select, and this is default selection. Okay, so click select and then click OK. In the same way, we do this thing for entity and for product. Okay, so with period, this is a little bit different. Just right click in this column, select members, then first go to functions, click on functions, and then select children and give here the member parameter. All right. From here, you can select the period. Okay. So select the parameter, check this box, select, and then close this. Okay. And entity and product remain same as we have done this for accounts. Version is working, scenario is plan, viewing this report for financial year 17, and HSP view is base data. So let's quickly view this. Okay, so when we click on preview, these are all the things which it will ask for. We can modify it as per a requirement. Since for example, this is selecting a quarter, we can also do it for quarter 2, quarter 3, or quarter 4. Same way for accounts. Okay, and for entity and product, click on OK, and as we can see, a report for quarter 1 is here for current assets. All right, so this is how we use the prompt function in narrative reporting. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a great day.